Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. So this is the quick unboxing of the new launched Valentine's Day special products by Itsy Bitsy. They have sent me these beautiful surprise goodies and I want to share it with you. I also don't know what is inside this, so just quickly opening it and then I will show you in detail what is inside the Valentine's Day collection. Wow, it's looking amazing. So first, this is the new launched paper pack called Endless Love by Little Birdie, and I'm just in love with this paper pack very much. This is 12 by 12 inches having 12 designs and each sheet is 250 GSM of thickness. And can you see these small elements here on the front cover, which also you can use to decorate small tags or cards. And now one by one I will share each of the sheet from the collection. So this is very sturdy and can you see the beautiful watercolored effect on each design. I'm just loving each and every pattern so much, filled with lots of love and warmth. And this is completely in black and white and little tinge of red collection, which is perfectly matched with the Valentine's Day theme. See, this is a watercolor effect, so beautiful. We can create cards, scrapbooks, envelopes, tags, gift tags, hangings, bookmarks, so many things using these lovely paper packs. And this is the last one. So each and every design is very unique than other, and you can play with this in many different ways. So this is all about the Endless Love paper pack. Then matching with the Endless Love paper pack, I also got the element sheet. This pack contains 32 designs and each design having 2 pieces. This is perfectly matched with the paper pack, and these are pre-cut out elements, so you don't need to fussy cut anything. Just you can directly use them and decorate your projects. Can you see this? There are lots of couple images, floral images, then lots of sentiment, love you forever, my love, be mine, and also small hearts. And all these elements have some glitter tinge in this, red glitter, which is very attractive. So many small elements, so you don't need to purchase anything. If you have this small pack, it will fulfill all your requirements to decorate your Valentine's Day projects or love projects or anniversary related projects. I'm just in love with these small elements. Now I got this cute 3D embellishment, or these are like 3D stickers related to love, and these are very glittery, so beautiful. We have Cupid, XOXO, hugs, love. Also I got these lovely bunch of red color paper roses. You can directly use them. And these are some chipboards in heart and cross arrow, which is perfect for Valentine's Day. And last but not the least, this is the beautiful stencil launched by Little Birdie. I will just show you the stencil. This is very cute couple stencil. You can directly put on your surface and add any color on top of this using stencil brush, and you are good to go. You will have instant print of the couple. Also this have love and XOXO sentiments. So this is all about my small craft haul or unboxing of newly launched Valentine's Day collection. Now we will make something beautiful using this. So here I have pre-cut these two heart shapes using mount board, and for each size we need two hearts. So I will just quickly tell you the measurements. The width of this bigger heart is 15 centimeters and height is 13 centimeters. And the width of this smaller heart is 13 centimeters and height is 11 centimeters. I have just taken a rough paper, folded that in half and created a heart shape like this, and then I have traced it on the mount board. Very easy to make. Then I'm taking this Endless Love paper pack, and from this paper pack I have chosen these two paper packs to decorate the hearts. Okay, so I'm starting with the bigger heart first. Now I want this couple image on the right side of the heart, so I'm putting the heart design on top of this, and I'm just going to trace it using pencil. You can keep the couple on left or right side, it is all up to you. I'm keeping it on the right side of the heart. Now I'm just tracing the heart pattern using my mount board cutout heart on the pattern paper, and then I'm going to cut it using scissors. Like this. So we will stick it on the mount board heart like this. In the same way I am going to cut this image for the smaller heart. So after adding these images on both the hearts, it's done. I have just stuck it with the base. Now I am taking these sentiments from the pre-cut elements and adding these sentiments like this. So be mine and I love you I am going to use. Like this. Then here I am taking this script stencil by Little Birdie again and going to add some script here and there randomly using textured paste. Since I am making mixed media wall hangings, so I'm using different mediums to decorate my base. So according to your availability you can use different mediums and decorate your bases. Using spatula I'm just spreading the texture paste on the base. And in the same way I will add the script design on the smaller heart. Now here I have this beautiful paper doily. I have created this doily using pink and white cardstock. I am just cutting it from the center and sticking these doilies with the hearts in one corner. Also sticking some small size hearts here and there. Like this. Then I will tell you how to make the flowers. So here I am taking watercolor ink, which is called Plum by Little Birdie, and these two flower cutouts, which is the beautiful die by Little Birdie again. And can you see these grooves on die? So I have just added little ink while die cutting, and the pink color have absorbed in the flower after die cutting it. So in this way you can create beautiful texture on the flower using these kind of dyes. Now I am adding this plum color exactly in the center of the flower. I am going to match my flowers with the sheet, base sheet. That's why I am using this grey kind of color to shade my flowers. I don't want to make it very contrast. And now from back side of this I am just spraying little water. Soak the excess water using tissue paper and emboss it using embossing pad and groove golf tool. Pinch in the center using ball tool. Add both the flowers with each other, and for the center of the flower I am using white color flower pearls. In the same way I have prepared some more flowers and some leaves. Now here I am taking one pink color piece of ribbon, and from back side of my heart panel I am going to stick it as a hanging. And then I am going to put one more heart on top of this. I have decorated one side of this heart as well using same pattern paper. So I am just sticking it like this. And then I will start decorating it from front side using handmade flowers and leaves. Here I am adding this bunch of jute threads just to give little shabby look. Also filling some gaps using these red color roses, which I have shown while unboxing. And this is done. Now I am taking two more pink color ribbon pieces and tucking it inside the heart. You have to do this step before adding another heart. I just forgot it, so I am doing it right now. Opening it from bottom little bit and then tucking it. Now I am just sticking the heart properly from the center again, and then taking the another mount board piece sticking these ribbons on top of this. And then sticking the another small heart which I have already decorated using the same matching flowers. Like this, allow it to dry. Then here I am taking some bunch of ribbons matching with the Valentine theme, like in red color, pink color, light pink color, organza ribbons. So I am just bunching it together by folding from the center and tying all this bunch using red color ribbon, making a bow knot. And tucking this whole bunch inside this bottom heart layers by adding little glue. Stick it very well and allow it to dry. So the beautiful hanging is ready. Isn't it looking very pretty? For the more finishing from edge, you can add one pink color strip on this heart layer. It will give you more finishing. I'll do it later after drying it completely. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.